Hi children, good morning. I hope everyone is fine at home. Yes children, you are fine at home? I can't hear you. Yes, you are absolutely fine. Okay children, let us begin our topic in English. Neha in a jeep. What children? What is the lesson name? Neha in a jeep. Neha, Neha, in in a jeep, 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 Neha in a jeep. Okay children, before going to the lesson, we will read some new words. What are those? HORN, horn. HORN, horn. NEAR, near. What children? NEAR, near. BITE, bite. BITE, bite. PICK, pick. Say children, PICK, pick. LAKE, lake. LAKE, lake. Yes, these are some new words in the textbook. Now see children, this is a very interesting story. I hope you will enjoy the story. Yes children, shall we read the lesson? See on the screen. Neha is in a jeep. Neha is in a jeep. The jeep has 4 wheels. The jeep has a horn. The horn says beep beep. Neha peeps from the jeep. Now Neha is a little girl. See children, Neha is a little girl, small girl. So she is in a jeep. Where is she? She is in a jeep. And the jeep has 4 wheels. How many wheels children? 4 wheels. See children, in front 1, 2, 3 wheels and at back side another wheel. Total 4 wheels. The jeep has 4 wheels. And the jeep has a horn. HORN, horn. Okay children. Now horn says beep beep. What sound children? Horn says beep beep. BEEP, beep. BEEP, beep. This is the beginning of the story children. See children, here in the first para some E sound words are there. You observe children, where are they? E words are there or not in the first para? Yes, is there no? JEEP, jeep. EE is there no? That is long EE word. What children? That is long EE word. JEEP, jeep. Like that, WHEELS, wheels. Yes, EE is there no children? This is also long EE sound word. Like that, beep, BEEP, beep. Is there no children? EE sound word. Long E sound word. Like that, PEEP, peep. This is also long E sound word. See children, these are long EE sound words. E sound word, beep, peep, wheels, jeep, like this. E sound word, long E sound word. Okay children. Now, shall we go to the next para? Neha sees an apple tree. Neha stops the jeep. Neha picks an apple. The apple is green. What children? The apple is green. Neha bites the apple. Oh, look at Neha's teeth. See children, what is going to be happen? Neha peeps from the jeep. So, Neha looks from the jeep. See children, what Neha looks from the jeep? Neha sees an apple tree. What Neha looks from the jeep children? She sees an apple tree. See, this is an apple tree. Neha stops the jeep and she comes out from the jeep. She comes out from the jeep and picks an apple. What children? Neha picks an apple. The apple is green. What is the color of the apple children? It is green. What is the color of the apple? It is green. Green, green. Yes children. Now see Neha bites the apple. See children, what Neha is doing? Neha bites the apple. Oh, oh, look at Neha's teeth. Teeth, teeth. Here also E sound word is there. Long E sound word is there. No, in this pair also. Teeth. Teeth. Oh, look at Neha's teeth. Yes, children. Now, see the next para. Neha sits in the jeep. Neha goes near the lake. Neha feels happy. What children? Neha sits in the jeep. Neha goes near the lake. Neha feels happy. Again Neha sits in the jeep. Now Neha is going towards the lake. What children? Neha is going towards the lake. This is the lake children. Neha feels happy. Now Neha is in a happy mood. See children, Neha feels happy means now Neha is in a happy mood. Okay now? Yes? All of you understood? Neha feels happy. Neha is in a happy mood. Now next para is see children. See on the screen. A bee sits on Neha's heel. Heel, heel. The bee bites the heel. Neha weeps. 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 Here also children, E sound words are there. Yes, observe or not children? B. E sound word is there. Long E sound word. Heel. 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 Here also long E sound word is there. And see children, heel. 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 Yes? Is there no? The bee bites the heel. Heel. Long E sound word is there. Neha weeps. 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 Here also long E sound word is there. Yes? Yes, observed or not children? A bee sits on Neha's heel. The bee bites the heel. Neha weeps like this. See children, bee means it is an insect. Bee means what children? It is an insect. INSECT, insect. It sits on Neha's heel. Bee sits on Neha's heel and bites the Neha's heel. See children, a bee sits on Neha's heel and bites the Neha's heel. So what is going to be happen? Neha weeps. Neha starts crying. Like that. She starts crying. Neha starts crying. Like that. Now see children, next para. Neha puts feet in the water. Neha puts feet in the water. The water is deep. See children. Now Neha puts the, what children? What it puts? Neha puts feet in the water. Feet means what children? Can anyone say? Okay, I'll tell you. the lowest part of our body. See children, feet means the lowest part of our body. See children, what? The water is deep. What children? The water is deep. See here, in the water, what are there? Geese. See children, the geese are in the water. Yes, now we'll go to the next para. Neha sees geese. See children, see on the screen. Geese. Where are the geese? In the water. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Here also long E sound word is there. G-E-E-S-E, geese. Long E sound word is there? No. Like that, sees. S-E-E-S, sees. Long E sound word is there? No. Sees. S-E-E-S, sees. Yes. Observe children. Neha sees geese. Neha feeds them with seeds. Feeds. Here also long E sound word is there. Isn't it children? F-E-E-D-S, feeds. Double E is there, no children? Long E sound word. Now see geese children. Neha feeds the geese with seeds. Neha feeds them with seeds. What children? What does Neha feed the geese with? Neha feeds them with seeds. What children? Neha feeds them with seeds. Yes? Yes or no children? Neha feeds the geese with seeds. Neha is keen to keep the geese. See children, what does she do? She is keen to keep the geese. What does she do? She is keen to keep the geese. Neha is keen to keep the geese. Here also E sound words are there. Long E sound words. K-E-E-N, keen. Double E is there, no? Like that. K-E-E-P, keep. E-E. Long E sound word is there, no? In the keep. Geese. Neha is keen to keep the geese. Now what you are? See children here. She is keen to keep the geese. Yes, this is the end of the lesson. Neha in a jeep. Now children, what you are going to do? You read the lesson with the help of your parents. Yes children. And tomorrow I will give you classwork. Okay children? You read the lesson thoroughly. I will ask you tomorrow what are E sound words, long E sound words are, what are they? I will ask you, so that you read the lesson 1, 2, 3 times like that. Okay children? Okay? You read the lesson thoroughly with the help of your parents. Tomorrow I will ask you, what children? What are long E sound words? Okay children? Okay? Bye. See you tomorrow. Yes.